Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. F15 BMW X5 2015. We have this sign here, steering, and we use our tools here, try to code it, because it look like maybe programming and coding or just coding. So let's try to get it here, and we're gonna look for the, wow, we have a couple of things here, but let me go to power steering. Electric power steering. This one. Flash update. Flash updated. Flash updated. Encoding available. So what do you need to do here? I just need to do encoding. So I'm going to exit here. And I will go back to individual coding. Okay, and then look here for electric power steering. This one. Ready to encode. Let me try to leave the ignition on. And then we see what happens. EP Electromechanical. The VIN number is already there. 4480447. Let me go back. Maybe this is used one. Let me go to engine computer. Maybe they changed it already. DME will tell us the right VIN number. Okay, you see? 16511. So it was used rack and pinion. So I'm gonna go back. It was not new. Or something written on it, I don't know. So I'm gonna go here. Go to next, and then I code it. Let me turn this. Prepare to code it. If coding has become good and everything, even if the VIN number is not the same, coding will take care of it. Coding, preparing for coding. Prepare vehicle for coding. We're gonna wait. Coding part 1. Coding complete. Okay, exit again. Come here. Coding. Let's see. Okay. Exit. Exit. I gotta go diagnose now. F15. We're gonna diagnose this car, and I want to see if there's any. Let me turn it. I'm diagnosing it now. You remember before it giving me a code here, but that's okay. I'm gonna try to start it. Then let me go to control unit. Just like electromechanical steering, full code. Electron rotor position sensor, steering angle sensor, jump detected. EPS initialization fault, steering angle direct stability, hardware position sensor angle active. So let me clear this code. Clear it again. They never go away, but there is no coding issue. So I'm gonna start it now. Let me see if I can do this one. It's still there. coding is done, I will try to initialize it. I will go to initialize it. If it doesn't work, then there is a problem. But I believe the message for initialization or anything, I don't see it here. Okay, I'm gonna look for it now. Please stay with us. We are going to use other tools to see what code and fold rotor position sensor, steering angle index, belt jump detected. Okay. I'm gonna use another tool to see if it will take the programming or anything. Stay with us, please. Thank you.